want to throw that. Can you please throw that? I told you to throw. Oh, come on. This looks like them shooting the distress flares on the Titanic. It was good while it lasted. Now it's time to use this little.
That's what those are.
And I'm glad we still have. We still have another pack of these little thingies.
Okay.
Like these little. Can you open this? I'm holding the phone and it's kinda annoying me.
Oops. There went one.
Oh, let me hold them.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I need a Q-tip or two. Oh, never mind. Titan. Is that it of both of them?
Yes. Boy, that stinks, doesn't it?
I think I stepped on one of those things again. Oh. I thought we were gonna
Look at this black cat. Or this big boy.
Let's get that out of the way. And let.
There it is.
That kind of reminds me of, you know what? The Titanic. Titanic. Okay. Mom, are you okay? Mom, are you okay?
Yes, baby.
Stay back.
Look, you gotta put up here too. Oh, they're shooting out stuff. I guess that was it on that one.
Yeah. Unless we had gotten another, unless me and my dad had gotten another one of those big packs.
Okay. Let's see what this one does. This one is a 6 gun.
That's what I said. 6 gun.
6 shots.
Hurry! Run! Dad.
Oh, come on. Here, Johnson, you do it. Oh.
Let me. Oh gosh! Open.
Get it. That's firing.
I think there are demons outside trying to kill me.
No, baby. Let's save up some of them for later. You want to?
let's do smaller ones.
Okay.
Because the big ones are scaring the crap out of me. Like it's scaring the blood out of my heart.
Okay. Look, now these we can do. Okay. Let's stay here and sit.
I'm just gonna. And my legs are shaking. Throat out there.
Now these are sparklers, baby.
Oh,
And these won't hurt you.
that's amazing.
See, that's how they do.
Oh,
You don't want to hold one?
really? I want to hold one when it's not lit. Is that gonna burn me?
No, baby, it won't burn you. See, that's how that was to it, like that. It'll go out.
Good. That is the last one. I'm glad that did not do no. This stuff.
What do you want to do now?
This green glittering flower. But could you like? I'm gonna. That's gonna. No, I don't want to take it. No letter on my phone. That is beautiful. I said that was beautiful.
Yep.
Why do they have to add so much flour and gunpowder?
Make it pretty. You do more or you want to later?
More.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to see what this one does.
Which is it?
Missile base, 25 shards.
Well, I'm just gonna stay on the left side of the bench. I mean, swing. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside. Oh God! Oh gosh! Oh no!
Well, that's some good stuff, ain't it?
Yeah. Mom! Where are you? What? Are you on my left or right?
Right here.
Oh, and that was so scary that I had to slam the door.
Okay.
And you know that can cause me to lose my left.
Look, you do this,
My
this
left
last one right
hand.
here, like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna. Run! Oh, that's a stupid thing. found my heart pumping so hard, like the Titanic's propellers. And I thought it was one of those little.
What was it?
One of those things,
I thought,
thing turned over.
Oh,
and
And
I.
it starts shooting off that way and that way.
okay. Well, I better color that.
What?
You coloring that?
Finally, I'm glad this thing is over.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then some of those that's gonna go pop, 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 pop.
Let's do no more of this. What?